Winnipeg's new police chief has been on the job for almost 3 months now. Gene Bowers made his first appearance at the Winnipeg Police Board this morning. CBC's Bartley Kivas joins us from outside police headquarters tonight. So Bartley, what did we learn from the chief today?
But police board meetings are sort of like show and tell, where police read reports they've already presented to the board, but they do offer an opportunity to ask the police chief anything. Now today, Bowers was asked about an increasing use of force by police, most notably using conducted energy weapons. Better known as stun gun tasers. Police use these weapons 524 times in 2024. That's precisely double the 5-year average. Gene Bowers says that's not necessarily a bad thing.
They save lives, and the technology is just advancing, rapidly. Where my hope is one day that we never have a shooting where someone's lost their life.
Now, Bowers says the range on stun guns is increasing, and he says eventually he hopes they can eventually replace the use of firearms by police altogether.
Okay, so Bartley, why are police using these energy weapons more often?
Well, according to a report to the board written by Bowers, he says that the use of methamphetamine is driving up the instances, the numbers of incidents where police have to use force. Bowers said people suffering from meth psychosis often have a high tolerance to pain and don't respond as readily to de-escalation. He spoke once more, as he has before, of the need for sobering centers for people under the influence of meth and alcohol, but these require medical professionals on site, and that costs money. Now, a year ago, Premier Wab Kinew said it wasn't acceptable to have people undergoing meth psychosis on the street shadowboxing. He was asked about this today and what's been done since then, and he didn't commit to sobering centers.
So what else did the police chief say today?
Well, Gene Bowers was in charge of investigations, deputy chief in charge of investigations for the police service when the police were determining whether to search the Prairie Green landfill for the remains of murdered women. And I asked Gene Bowers today about his role in the decision making. Now, as you recall, police concluded in 2022 that the remains of 2 First Nations women, Mercedes Myron and Morgan Harris, were transported to the Prairie Green landfill north of Winnipeg. Police didn't conduct a search of the landfill. A search initiated by the Kinew government led to the discovery of the remains of both Harris and Myron, and Bowers said he advocated for that search.
There was a voice at the table that thought that we should search, but again, there are other things to consider regarding that. Obviously that wasn't what occurred.
Bowers said the police service is about to hire a consultant to help improve reconciliation efforts.